right, math thinkers, here's a quick challenge for you. What is 48 divided by 16 times the quantity 1 plus 2? Most people rush this and proudly say the answer is 1. Let's look at how they get there and why it's wrong. They start with the parentheses, 1 plus 2 equals 3. Then they multiply 16 by 3 to get 48. Finally, they do 48 divided by 48, and boom, they say the answer is 1. Sounds neat, right? Well, nope, that's not correct. Let's fix it. We'll use PEMDAS, parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. Now here's the key part most people forget. Multiplication and division are equal priority. Addition and subtraction are equal priority. And when operations share a priority level, we always work from left to right. So first, as always, we start with parentheses. 1 plus 2 equals 3. No debate there. Now the expression becomes 48 divided by 16 and then multiplied by 3. And here's where a lot of people freeze, or rush, or just assume. They see 16 next to the parentheses, and they think that multiplication is somehow stronger, or comes first. It doesn't. Division and multiplication share the same rank, and when two operations share a priority level, we don't guess. We don't rely on what feels right. We simply follow the rule, left to right. Start from the left, 48 divided by 16 equals 3, then 3 times 3 equals 9, and that gives us the correct answer. 9, not 1. The magic rule? When multiplication and division are together, go strictly left to right. Drop your answer in the comments before watching the solution, and hit subscribe for more fun math traps like this one. See you in the next one.